Vidu AI has just dropped its version 1.5, featuring exciting updates in AI video generation and new templates perfect for the holiday season. Let's dive into what's new. First, visit the website using the link provided below. Then just click on the Sign In button. After that, click on the Continue with Google account and log in using any of your Google account. And then, you will have an interface like this. You will have some free credits for your free account. To generate videos, you will need them. Per video costs 4 credits. Here also you can see some templates. You can also use them. On the left side, you can see some options. We will explore them one by one. The first option is Reference to Video option. Here in the Upload Image box, you can upload some reference images and the AI will generate the video according to your reference. I will just click on Try Samples and it will give me some sample images to try. Then you can see some settings here. First setting is duration. There are 2 options available, 4 second and 8 second. I will just choose 4 second. And you can choose the resolution. For the free users, there is only one resolution available and that is speed. And then movement amplitude, you can choose any of them. And at last, you just have to choose an aspect ratio. I will just choose the first one. After selecting everything, just click on the Create button, and the AI will take some time and give you the result. You can download the result by this button. The second feature is Image to Video. Here you can upload any picture and the AI will animate the video. Just upload your desired pic in the box. Then check the settings below. After this, just click on the Create button, and it will create the video, same as before. Third feature is Text to Video. Here in the box, you can type any prompt and the AI will generate a video according to your prompt. For example, I am giving a random prompt. Then change the settings and click on the Generate button, and it will start generating. On the lab, you can see Premade Templates. You can also use them for your video. There are some new templates for the holiday season. And the last option called My Creation. Here you can check all of your creations and you can edit or delete them. Try the new templates for this holiday season to make your videos stand out. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.